So unfortunately last two videos stopped in the middle because I didn't clear the storage, and that's why I bought 512 GB. I bought this S24 plus, and I bought it 512 GB because I'm making video with S20 plus, which is only have 128 GB. So I just did unboxing. Actually I was doing it and last two videos got lost. So it came with the charger, and along with charger we have this Anathel seal that is original, and is the seal here, you can see the same thing with the charger. Then we have the pin to put the SIM, and then we have this wire, which is the wire to charge your mobile and connect with laptop, and that's it. And it makes me so happy that they gave the charger, because this charger itself is 100 200 reais, you know. So that's it, and I just wanted to show you that 2 days ago this product came, which is Buds 3 Plus Pro, Buds 3 Pro, and it came with the similar packing. So I'm really happy to do unboxing, and it also came with a paper which is showing that we can do an exchange for 5,000 reais. So anyways, I'm sorry I couldn't show you the video of opening. Is in another video, but doesn't make sense to make a half video, so that's why let's consider that this is the complete video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you. Take care.